Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're enthusiasts of British motor vehicles, and this time we're on tour in the Yorkshire moors.
And here we are, just about to leave Blue Dolphin Holiday Park near Filey. It's an excellent base for car club tours, reasonable accommodation, good food, and location is great. Highly recommended.
And we're going to start the tour by joining Gus, who's driving Henry. Henry is based on the 1970 Triumph Herald and is a favourite on our club runs.
Here we go on another enthusiastics group tour around North Yorkshire, my old stomping grounds. Well, I've been here since I was a lad. A bit chilly this morning, but as you can see, bright clear skies, so it soon warms up. And hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed making it.
We're going to be hopping between cars. This time we're with Dean in Sprite, his little Austin Sprite.
Some gorgeous driving roads around this area, and some nice open roads as well. I do like to open up Henry as soon as I can.
And here we see the convoy passing through Thornton-le-Dale, a very picturesque little town which is home to Matthewsons auction house.
And there it is on the right there. Beep beep.
I believe that the Rover 75 under the canopy is member Nick Taylor's, awaiting going under the hammer. Maybe we'll see it on Bangers and Cash.
Here we are, just leaving the very pretty little Hutton Le Hole and starting to get onto the roads which I really enjoy on the Yorkshire tours.
Paul always insists we have bicycles on our videos, so here's one.
Chimney Bank Road. If you know, you know.
Oh, I know, Gar. I know. Everybody should know go on this road and know it. Fantastic driving road, and the hill is a little bit challenging, not too scary, but make sure you have good brakes before you go down or up.
And here we see Dean in Sprite, the Sprite, following Pat and Anthony in the MGBGT. The MGB is nicknamed Bill after the invoice that was submitted after it was renovated.
Classic cars as far as the eye can see. What a wonderful view on top of the moors.
You're right, love.
Henry is eating up the road as Gus has his heavy right foot in action, passing Pat easily.
Oh, how rude.
And now is after Graham's Rover 200 Cabriolet.
We love the smell of burning brakes in the morning.
It's time for a break, and here we see Gus following Mike, who's driving Graham's Rover due to Graham not feeling too well.
We parked up for a breather to take in the fantastic view down the valley.
With views like these, you just have to pull in and get photos. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning along the Chimney Bank Road.
Alongside Nick's MG RV8 are the Ford Capri, MGBGT, Rover 200 Cabriolet, another MGBGT, and Keith's Lexus, or was he in his Mercedes?
Cake, cake, cake. There's one thing I really enjoy is cake. More. You alright, love? You're broken down? Sorry, super enthusiastic man's having too much fun driving Henry. Catch you later. I'm sure young'un can take care of it.
This was a lovely downhill road, but I'm sure that the drivers struggled to achieve the 30-mile-an-hour speed limit at the bottom.
As you can see, it's warmed up now. I've got my jacket off and just in my t-shirt, and driving around this road is best done in an open top car. You can see for miles and miles and miles, especially on a day like today. Absolutely fantastic driving. Uh-oh, muggles. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to scare you. Bye!
Back up onto the moors again, riding in Henry, shows how lucky we were with the weather before Easter in April.
I can see for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and... Oh, what a fantastic day. This is absolutely awesome. Could not wish for a better weekend for the start of the year. Awesome. Anybody should join us. You're missing out on so much fun.
And here's another cyclist for Paul. Looking back from Graham's Rover 200 cabriolet to Pat's MGB, we see some of the sheep are rude, turning their backs on us. Again in Graham's Rover 200, looking forward this time, following Nick's big MG. What a wonderful view. Other than the road and the cars on it, I don't think I can see any other signs of human activity. Again, what magnificent views. All of a sudden, the scenery changes as we descend from the top of the moors.
When your classic car cover is coming up for renewal, try our club scheme arranged with Peter James Insurance. Just click the link in the description below to get a quote.
After a lovely Saturday evening spent on the campsite, Pat and Anthony follow Nick in the MG RV8 in their MGBGT.
We're only managing to keep up with Nick because of the traffic. His MG is lighter than the GT and has almost twice the engine capacity and probably more than twice the power. The sun shines again today, although there are some cotton wool clouds in the sky, but it is still roof down weather.
It's easy to join us, by the way. Join on the club, see the events and come along. We don't cost you anything except for costs of driving a car and camping if you want to camp. Other than that, we don't charge for the tours or anything, as much as God does all the organising and what have you. It's all totally free. It's just enthusiasts enjoying driving their cars. Come and join us. It's great.